Never miss a friend's special day again with this super simple Facebook trick. First things first, open up the Facebook app on your phone or go to the Facebook website on your computer. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look for the search bar at the very top of the screen. In that search bar, simply type the word birthdays and press enter or tap the search icon. Facebook will then immediately take you to a special page dedicated to all your friends' upcoming birthdays. Here, you'll see a list of who has a birthday coming up soon, sorted by date. You can scroll down to see all of them. You'll notice you can directly send a happy birthday message from this page without even visiting their profile directly, making it super convenient to spread some cheer. Depending on how Facebook is updated, you might also see past birthdays or a calendar view here, but the main focus is always on those upcoming celebrations. And there you have it. By checking this birthdays page, or by keeping an eye on your notifications, which Facebook often provides for upcoming birthdays, you'll be sure to stay connected and never forget a friend's happy birthday.